Our zero liquid discharge system, self-cleaning technology, recovers 95% of water and valuable products, minimizing the waste and maximizing the efficiency of the operation. This system not only reduces water losses, but also ensures compliance with stringent environmental standards, making it a smart choice for industry to adopt such kind of systems. We offer customized wastewater management solutions for a wide range of industries, including processing industries, specialty chemical industries, pharmaceutical, textile, steel, mining, and whatnot. Our technologies majorly focus on upcycling, enhancing the resources, and also improving the efficiency of operations while keeping the eye on the cost of operations. We would like to invite you to partner with us to achieve the compliance goals and attain the sustainability for your organization. We would like to invite you to visit us at ACHEMA 2024. Please visit us at booth number A34 Hall number 6.1, and we would be there to help resolve your problems. Thank you.